Hi, I am Park. In this video I will tell you all about PHP Defender application, and also show you how to encode your PHP project using PHP Defender, general problems, and their solutions. I already installed the application, so just double-click on it. It is a trial version, so internet connection is required up to run this software. Here are internet status showing. We are connected. Now this software completely open. So I just cut our connection because after open the software connection is not required. Also this software will run more faster. After disconnect the connection. It is the main screen. From here you can read our online help file, and from here you can create support ticket. It is a trial version, so here it is showing. You are running in trial. License mode. If you want to buy a license, then first click on this button and copy this key and save it anywhere. This key will be required when you will go to our buy page. Click back to return our main screen. This 4 button will done everything for you. Our first button is PHP eval enc. You will use this feature to encode any pure PHP file that will not function properly after encode this. Compile wizard. Pure PHP file mean only PHP code into your file, no HTML, no JavaScript or not any CSS code. Like this, here you are seeing only PHP code. Remember, here you can encode only one file at a time, and encoded file will save into source folder. Okay, now we encode this PHP file. It is before encoding. Now select here this field showing select pre-execution code file if any. It mean if we want to use some function, or some very fast declared command, like namespace, or if your session deceleration not work after encoding, then we can declare this type of commands or functions. So in this tutorial we just declared a session start, so we create a file. Save it. And select it. Now, select your PHP version from here. Now click on it. This screen showing success. Now back to main screen. And we are going to source folder for view our result. And here it is showing our source file, and our encoded file. So let's open it. Here are pre-execution code, and this the encoded part. Now we will learn about our second button, compact code. We will use this feature for remove comments, remove line and remove space from your PHP script. Remember, we recommend you compact your entire PHP project before encrypt it. Click on it. Here PHP extension mean your file extension. Now we wanted to compact this folder. We are seeing our every code is normal format. Here we are. Creating a new folder as our destination folder. Now select our source folder. And our destination folder. Click on it. Good job, our processes is completed, so now we will see your work result. Excellent. Okay, so back to our main screen. Now I will discuss about our third button, Create License, so click on it. Oh sorry. In trial version this features are not available. Okay, so now we will just discuss its features. Actually mostly used licenses, either on domain or on time. This MAC address feature are only used for offline application. So if you want to create a license for https://www.phpdefend.com, then you just entered here, phpdefend.com. Or if you want to create a license on time, then just put it here. Now if we want to create a license for 36 hours, then we will put here just 1.5. It is the expiration message that will show to your customer. You can change it as per your requirements. Now need to click here, but unfortunately it is disabled. After click this button you will get a next button. After click on next button you will automatically enter to Compile Wizard, but remember don't click on any back button after entered to Compile Wizard. Either your generated license will be removed, and it will not apply into your script. Now we will discuss about our fourth button, Compile Wizard. It is our main button for encrypt our entire PHP project. Click Next. Here we will write our PHP file extension. By default it is PHP, so leave it as it is. Here we select our PHP version. Remember, higher version security level is more from lower version of PHP, although we select it as per our PHP version installed into our local or web server. So here is a question, how to know our PHP version? Here go to your local or web server httdocs or www or public HTML folder and create this PHP file. Now run it. It is showing many things, but we need only PHP version. Here it is, our PHP version is 7.2. Oh, I forgot enough. Thing also we can see here is Encrypt loader installed or not into this server. Well, I found it here. Now again we are going to PHP Defender Compile Wizard. So here I select PHP 7.2 as per my local server configuration. Now click Next. Browse our source folder. Here we select this folder. Select target folder. Remember always this folder must be an empty folder. So here select this folder. Next, it is our final screen. Here it is showing PHP version, how many file, it is showing PHP extension, and this two are our source and destination folder. Now click here. Success, now we will see our encoded file. Okay, now copy it and paste to into here for run this file. We already created our this SQL database, so let's run. MySQL error. So what we'll do, no problem, now just encode the connection file through our PHP eval enc. It's done, so copy it. And paste it here. Remove this file. Now rename it. Now run. Okay, now it is working perfectly. I hope after this tutorial you will successfully encode your PHP project through our software.